This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable doilies, specifically these disposable paper lace doilies that they offer. And they come in 5 colors. We have the pink and black here. There's also white, blue, and a lovely salmon red. So they make nice, beautiful, vibrant options for accentuating your baked goods or other dishes. They can at times be a little difficult to separate, as all doilies are, but one nice little trick is just to give them a little rub, and that should help them start to separate easily so you don't waste time peeling them apart. Right? You can see they're a nice durable paper, so they're not going to tear easily on you. And they come in 3 sizes. We have the 4-inch, the 6, and the 12, meaning you have lots of options, whether you're putting them under plates to make a nice quick little placemat, you're using them underneath baked goods like cakes or pies, or you're using them to line surfaces, maybe to say go underneath a cup or an individual dessert or underneath a small pastry. They're a great way to protect surfaces and make for easy cleanup, right? So when you're done, you just wad them up and they're disposable. They can go right in the trash, meaning that it's less cleanup, which is always a plus, and it adds a beautiful, fun, bright little decorative touch to any display.